Alright guys, we got some sort of train coming. This is 7:59, Lord Coal Train with 9:59 and 8:51. Triple DBUs 3326, 950, and 3347. The third engine was 3347. It said, I thought it was 3357, but it was actually the third engine was 3347. So this is the longest coal train I've ever seen. Came from DOUBS. And 10 to Frederick. You get the closer look at those paint schemes on the freight cars. I don't know who did those because they look pretty cool actually on them. There's the CSX N3C616. This train originates Amstown to Manawaz on this Saturday, May 27th from CSX Freight Trains. I didn't hear anything on the scanner radio because it was completely silent because when I got on the scanner radio, the scanner said there was the eastbound coal train coming. There goes the truck over there. Trailer. And then I heard a 72.1 defect detector, and then this came. Alright, here comes the next video.